What's up, guys? The vlog you're about to watch was all filmed vertically, and that was my fault. And also there's a problem with my microphone, so the audio is a wee bit messed up, and you will notice it. Enjoy the vlog.
What's up, YouTube? So right now we're gonna vlog our experience at Popeyes.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Get off the road! God, you guys are stupid! Hey, get off the road! Get off the road!
Hey, let's get moving, come on! Driving a 2008 Bugatti Veyron. It's got an engine and it has wheels. It has an exhaust, and basically it's a great car. I've gone up to 200 miles per hour on it. There's been multiple casualties. This car sucks. I'd rather have an Isuzu. I'd rather drive an Isuzu. So right now we're going on I-75 North, the best highway in the world, baby. So basically, this highway was used by it was actually used by Christopher Columbus. It was used by Christopher Columbus in I can't control this car. How do you flip the camera? In 1787, Christopher Columbus actually made this highway, and he did it so the Indians could basically leave, just go away and never come back, because this is white man's land. And basically, Popeyes, which is what we're going to, was the first establishment to ever be near I-75. Yeah, so right now we're going upwards of about 110 miles per hour. Obviously, you know, my Bugatti is taking it well. Yeah, basically this is a sports car. All right, a lot of you can't relate because a lot of you are basically too poor to like own this. And so yeah, basically we're in the city right now. We're driving around New York City right now. Hey, come on! These New Jersey drivers, they sure don't know how to drive. What can I say? Alright, so we're coming up to Philadelphia right now. In fact, I think that might be the Mint, the U.S. Mint, where they make coins and stuff. I think that's it. And that's the Space Needle right there. So yeah, we're making pretty good time. We've been going about 500 miles per hour. So yeah, we're doing all right. We're in Dubai. The city sucks. They have no hose here. They don't even play Fortnite here. So little known fact, that's the Andersons right there. That's actually their home. And they were a really nice family, and I actually lived in one of those things. That's one of their houses. And it was pretty good, so that was one positive experience I had in this godforsaken city. But we're going back here, we're gonna eat at the Popeyes, and I'm gonna be the only white person there.
God, can you speed up? Speed up, please!
Hey guys, so I'm gonna vlog my first time getting shot in the hood. Yeah, so usually with these vlogs, there's usually a group of us. Yeah, everyone else they passed away. Like Max. Well, actually, Max is still alive. I forgot about him. But yeah, all the other people that are on our vlogs, they actually died. I was driving and I ran them over, and I don't feel any remorse whatsoever. And it's actually been a burden lifted on me because they were the most annoying people I've ever met. And I hated them in my vlogs. So now it's just me. And We're gonna eat Popeyes by ourselves, and I think it's gonna taste pretty good. There's a person in the street right now. I don't want to stop. I don't want to. That's a man. All right, I thought it was a woman. It's a thick man. A thick man in the street. There was a car. The car is now stopped on the side of the road with its hazards on. Now the person is walking up to the car. So maybe they know each other. Maybe he's homeless. We don't know. There appears to be a tweaker here. I'm not sure. Could be a normal person. Could be a tweaker. Oh, the guy's getting a ride. Okay. I don't know. Dubai's a weird place. What can I say? But yeah, the Burj Khalifa is right up ahead, and we will be having the Popeyes in there. So I actually rented all the top floors. Basically, I rented them because I'm rich. So. People are just in the middle of the street. They're wearing do-rags. They're walking around the street. The man had a goldenrod colored do-rag. I have spotted the Popeyes. Here we go. That person looks like a tweaker. This tweaker is looking at me. She's gonna run off with my food. This is taking a while. I have no idea what she's doing, but she is at my car right now. She is hunched over my car. She's trying to find something, I don't know. A cigarette. She just picked up a cigarette off the ground right next to my car. I mean, we're in Dubai though. The police have arrived. Yeah, so the workers literally have no food ready. It's been about 5 minutes. They don't even hand you the food. It's a rotating thing. So they can't get robbed, or they can't get like stuff thrown at them. I mean, Dubai's a great place. What can I say? Alright, we are good. So yeah, we're still riding around Dubai. My windows will stay up, and my doors will stay locked. But I did get the popcorn, shrimp, and 2 tenders, a Dr. Pepper for a drink, and Cajun fries as a side. So we're gonna go somewhere, and we're gonna eat it, and we're gonna do a good review. So coming up on our left is actually the drip factory. And right there, yeah, they're actually transporting drip. They do a little stuff in like sauce and stuff, like yeah, but basically they're transporting drip in there, and basically if you want to get drippy, that's where the factory is, and you either drip or drown. So there's even more. There are seagulls everywhere. I'm not going to be able to eat these fries at all. about this. Oh, they're screaming at me now. Okay. Okay, I'm leaving. These Cajun fries, top notch. They're very good. I'd give them an 8 out of 10. We got ourselves some honey sauce. So this actually comes from bees. Honey sauce. It's honey. It's honey sauce. Because, like, you know how I previously mentioned the drip factory? Well, the bees, they got to the drip. And that's what makes it the sauce. That's what's different about it. So, yeah. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at him. What does he think he's doing in front of my car? Oh, and look, now he's walking up. Yeah, what are you doing? Get away! So next thing we have here is the wild retard sauce. And so let's open this up. Looks wild. Let's try it with the popcorn shrimp. I could really taste the retard. Yeah. Yeah, it tastes retarded. Alright, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take a wee nibble of this chicken tender just by itself. Yes, I ordered it spicy, and it is pretty spicy. Now we're gonna dip it in the wild sauce. That's actually scrumptious. It's actually scrumptious. I like it a lot. It's a lot of flavor. It is definitely a lot of flavor. I would say a 9 out of 10 for this. Definitely. It is scrumptious. Oh man, I'm late on child support. And I forgot to mention the popcorn shrimp. I like to call it the popcorn simp. I would have to rate this popcorn simp about I mean, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'll say a 7 out of 10.